the AI that exists today, we just scratch the surface. And if that is worrisome, wait till the real AI comes.
Given that you are in the midst of all of this new innovation that is happening in AI, one of the first things, or the first usages of AI that came up, at least a global scale, was that men found out that alright, if we take this girl's picture, we can recreate it in different ways. And one could say that this has set women's rights back by decades. So, what is one thing that you should have as a mindset when you're approaching AI and its applicability?
Like I was telling you earlier, I like to call AI not artificial intelligence, alien intelligence. Because the AI that exists today, we just scratch the surface. And if that is worrisome, wait till the real AI comes. So the first generation of AI would be that making our jobs that repetitive tasks, right? That instead of, let's say, a simple AI machine could be your iRobot, right? So instead of me cleaning my house, it will learn my house by going around. Right? It will learn my house, and next time it knows what to clean there, and it will become perfect. Like I was telling you today morning, I was podcast came and the guy said, "Oh, AI can never replace humans because AI can only help humans." He's a music director in India talking about that, and he was saying he uses AI to remove the voice in a track or let's say a particular instrument out of a music track. He's a kid. I mean, he's not a AI scientist who's kind of making a. I think these are all first generation. बच्चे खेल रहे हैं, खिला दो.
We feel it
Now here, yeah, we feel कि अब अच्छा लग रहा है, कुछ चल रहा है. These things are happening, fine, yeah. But now see what is coming. Now deepfake thing that you're talking about, that is, you can say the impact of the first generation AI. Kids are playing, so kids are playing bad. Kids are playing with a ball. Ball is a toy. Now they're throwing ball at somebody's house. And uska same ball that you can play and have entertainment, or you can, let's say, you can also hit somebody. Yes. And बचपन में हम खेलते थे मारा पीटी करके गेम होती थी. You're playing, right? It is like that. You're harming somebody using the first generation AI. No, the real thing of AI would be when it starts influencing you. Not too long ago we were talking about today's kids are influenced by what they hear in reels and social media, they form opinions. Imagine now all those things get replaced by some AI bots. AI bots, this is the biggest scare of AI is language. Language in all these evolutions, hunter-gatherer, machine, or evolution industry, all these things, and computers, nobody was able to fiddle with the language. And we are ourselves, we are using heartfulness, using some AI tools to translate or voiceover.
Yes.
So imagine now this actually starts having mind of its own. It learns you, that starts having conversation. Not that it's listening to you, it's talking to you.
Yes.
Listening, even my Alexa does listening.
Absolutely.
But now it starts talking to you. Now it is partaking in your life. Imagine that it extends to a group of people. How did I may be in Israel, I may get thrown in jail. How did Moses influence people? A group of people, he gave them discourse. How did Jesus Christ? How did Lord Krishna? There were people who were talking.
Yes.
Presumably, they were conversations and they were influencing people towards a certain path. Now, let's say that role is replaced with an AI, sentient AI. Right? AI, which is now imagine where humanity will go from there. Now, that is going to be, now, before you even get there are going to be many phases which are going to be scarier than your deepfake. Deepfake is simple. You can close it. How you can close it? There are yes, you're going to post it somewhere. All these guys are becoming intelligent. Instagram, YouTube, and they are, to most part, they are able to detect what is AI generated, what is real. They are adding those things, and they will be able to stop it sooner or later.
Yes.
Right? Meaning, people started doing this. Now, I think last, you can say 3 months, we haven't. 3 months ago or 4 months ago, we had heard about this Indian actress or this US actress, and then Modi, Prime Minister, some deepfake of them.
Yes.
But we haven't seen that lately. Only thing I heard in last 3 months is Trump campaign releasing a Trump's video, AI generated video,
Yes.
with some African American young youth,
Yes.
young kids. And that, of course, they did it themselves. I mean, they did it on their platform. So that I will not call it. That was kind of an intentional fake video. That is not harming anybody. That is, you are using it for your purpose, right? But it means many of these tools, many of these platforms have already developed enough awareness, intelligence to stop. But soon, you see deeper intelligence from the AI, new tools of AI is going to